the Disabled People's Rights Plan Wales, our short-term actions. The first column lists the name of the task force working group that originally proposed the idea for the action. Many of these actions are cross-cutting and will be implemented by various policy areas. For instance, not all actions linked to the Independent Living Social Care Working Group will be carried out by social care policy. These actions will uphold the principles of the articles outlined in the United Nations Convention on the Rights of Disabled People, UNCRDP, and align with the Welsh Government's National Equality Objectives, NEO. The following table is split into 4 columns: Thematic Area, Action, UNCRDP, NEO. Neighbourhoods and Places. Travel. Welsh Government to work with local authorities and transport operators to collect and update data on the availability and location of parking spaces for blue badge holders and integrate them into transport websites. Article 9. Accessibility. National Equality Objective 3. Travel. Welsh Government to improve the engagement with disabled people in the development of accessible transport services and oversight arrangements. Article 4. General Obligations. National Equality Objective 3. Travel. Welsh Government to ensure that transport organisations conduct regular and inclusive consultations with disabled children and young people. Article 7. Disabled Children. National Equality Objective 3.5. Travel. Welsh Government to develop a standardised programme of training for all customer-facing staff in transport, including rail, bus, taxi, private hire vehicles and airports. The training includes social model of disability, equality legislation including guide and assistance dogs, and good customer care for disabled people. Article 8. Awareness raising. National Equality Objective 3. Accessible and affordable housing. Welsh Government to work with local authorities and service providers to improve the provision of accessible accommodation for disabled people, their carers, and their children when fleeing from violence. Article 16. Freedom from exploitation, violence and abuse. National Equality Objective 3.4. Accessible and affordable housing. Welsh Government to review the Welsh Development Quality Requirements 2021, including its impact and effectiveness. Article 28. Adequate standard of living and social protection. National Equality Objective 2.3. Accessible and affordable housing. Welsh Government to work with local authorities to continue to improve accessibility and coordinated delivery of housing adaptations and the supply of equipment. Article 19. Living independently and being included in the community. National Equality Objective 3.2. Accessible and affordable housing. Welsh Government to work with housing organisations to help improve the dissemination of more accessible housing information to disabled people, including those who are digitally excluded. Article 21. Freedom of expression and opinion and access to information. National Equality Objective 3. Accessible and affordable housing. Welsh Government to work with disabled people's organisations and experts to design and deliver training to housing organisations. Article 4. General Obligations. National Equality Objective 3. Accessible and affordable housing. Welsh Government will engage with disabled people to understand the specific barriers to housing, for example, for disabled Gypsy, Roma and Traveller people. Article 19. Living independently and being included in the community. National Equality Objective 2. Social Model of Disability. Welsh Government to reflect the social model of disability in its approach to socially responsible procurement. Article 4. General Obligations. National Equality Objective 2. Social Model of Disability. Welsh Government to review and revise existing policies to ensure that they do not create barriers for disabled people. Involve disabled people in the design, implementation and monitoring of new and improved policies, practices and procedures. Article 4. General Obligations. National Equality Objective 2.5. Employment, Income and Education. Employment and Income. Welsh Government's disabled people's employment champions to signpost employers to information, advice and guidance on fair, flexible and inclusive recruitment and working practices. Article 27. Work and Employment. National Equality Objective 6. Employment and Income. Welsh Government to engage with employers, unions, disabled people's organisations and the public to raise awareness of disabled people's employment rights, challenge stereotypes and improve understanding of the benefits of employing a diverse workforce and the support available to do this. We will deliver this by using our network of disabled people's employment champions and creating opportunities for key partners, such as employer representative bodies, trade unions, disabled people's organisations and others, to come together and collaborate in efforts to foster a more inclusive and supportive working environment. Article 8. Awareness raising. National Equality Objective 6. Employment and Income. Welsh Government, working collaboratively with MEDR to review support services for disabled adults who want to return to education or training. Article 24. Education. National Equality Objective 6. Employment and Income. Welsh Government to improve accessibility and awareness of support services for self-employed, freelancers and disabled people who are business owners. Article 27. Work and Employment. National Equality Objective 1.6. Employment and Income. Welsh Government to conduct an evaluation of the Inclusive Apprenticeships Plan and to update where required. Article 27. Work and Employment. National Equality Objective 1.6. Children and Young People. Welsh Government to review non-academic and alternative pathways to employment, such as vocational training, apprenticeships and internships. Article 27. Work and Employment. National Equality Objective 6. Children and Young People. Welsh Government to work with local authorities to develop an education workforce plan through understanding workforce gaps and workforce planning, including the specialist workforce for disabled children and young people. Article 27, Work and Employment. National Equality Objective 6. Children and young people. Welsh Government to update guidance on healthcare needs, attendance, behaviour management and exclusions, taking account of the needs of disabled children and young people. Article 24, Education. National Equality Objective 3. Children and young people. Welsh Government to update its anti-bullying and safeguarding guidance to protect disabled children and young people. Article 16. Freedom from exploitation, violence and abuse. National Equality Objective 4. Children and young people. Welsh Government to work with ticketing agencies, event organisers, venues and operators to establish and implement fair and transparent pricing policies that consider the needs and circumstances of disabled children and adults and provide discounts, concessions or free admission where appropriate. Article 30. Participation in cultural life, recreation, leisure and sport. National Equality Objective 5. Independent living, well-being, health and social care. Well-being. Welsh Government to include information relating to the social model of disability in the grant application and the evaluation process for all projects. Article 19. Living independently and being included in the community. National Equality Objective 5. Well-being. Welsh Government to work with cultural, heritage, arts, sport and leisure organisations to increase the availability and quality of accessible exhibitions, performances, matches and events, ensuring they are representative of the diversity of Wales. This includes removing physical barriers with clear provision of British Sign Language, audio description, autism friendly, for example. Article 30. Participation in cultural life, recreation, leisure and sport. National Equality Objective 5. Well-being. Welsh Government to review how the childcare and early years capital programme supports the accessibility of the physical environment for inclusive registered childcare and play services. Article 7. Disabled children. National Equality Objective 3. Well-being. Welsh Government to work with local authorities and sector stakeholders to support childcare and play workers to access training and resources required to support disabled children to access childcare in Welsh and English. Article 7. Disabled children. National Equality Objective 3. Well-being. Welsh Government to establish an external advisory board to provide advice and support on the delivery of the Cross-Government Disabled People's Rights Plan. Article 29. Participation in political and public life. National Equality Objective 2. Independent living, social care. Welsh Government to collaborate with disabled people's organisations to design and deliver a new funding stream that addresses social care needs. Article 19. Living independently and being included in the community. National Equality Objective 3. Independent living, social care. Welsh Government to involve disabled children and adults in considering how to take forward work to embed rights on disability. Article 4. General Obligations. National Equality Objective 2.5. Independent living, social care. Welsh Government to work with disabled people on the findings of the National Centre for Independent Living feasibility study. Article 19. Living independently and being included in the community. National Equality Objective 5. Independent living, health and social care. Welsh Government to work in partnership to develop health, including prison health staff and social care workforce training on the social model of disability, ensuring co-production with disabled children and adults. Article 25. Health. National Equality Objective 3. Independent living, social care. The Welsh Government to continue to work with all providers, including local authorities, to ensure that disabled individuals are able to live independently at home wherever possible. Article 19. Living independently and being included in the community. National Equality Objective 3. Independent living, health. Welsh Government to develop policy for timely access to British Sign Language, BSL, for deaf babies, children and their families. Article 25. Health. National Equality Objective 3.5. Independent living, health, social care. Welsh Government to work with its inspectorates and regulators of health, HIW, and social care service, CIW, to embed the social model of disability into guidance for inspection teams. Article 25. Health. National Equality Objective 3. Independent living, health, social care. Welsh Government to convene a task and finish group to review the use of health economic measures, including quality adjusted life years and disability adjusted life years, impacting on NHS Wales resource allocation decisions, to explore any differential impact on disabled people and make recommendations for any necessary changes. Article 5. Equality and non-discrimination. National Equality Objective 3. Justice and supporting environments. Access to justice. Welsh Government's Equality and Human Rights Division to contribute funding to the Hate Hurts Wales 2025 to 2027 campaign, ensuring there is a focus on crimes against disabled people. Article 16. Freedom from exploitation, violence and abuse. National Equality Objective 4. Access to justice. Welsh Government to review the International Committee of Rights of Disabled People 2024 report and its recommendations and implement them where relevant. Article 35. Reports by states parties. National Equality Objective 2. Access to justice. Provide disabled survivors and victims with equal access to appropriately resourced, high-quality, needs-led, strengths-based, intersectional and responsive services across Wales. Article 16. Freedom from exploitation, violence and abuse. National Equality Objective 3.4. Access to justice. Welsh Government to support disabled people's understanding of what a hate-mate crime is, how to report it, and where to get support, via collaborating with disabled people and disabled people's organisations. Article 8. Awareness raising. National Equality Objective 4. Access to justice. Welsh Government to make representations to the UK Government to improve our access to data on the disabled population in prisons, including women prisoners accommodated in England. Article 31. Statistics and data collection. National Equality Objective 2. Access to justice. Welsh Government to ensure appropriate training on the social model of disability is in place for health and education staff working in prisons, and to make representations to partner agencies on the importance of training where justice staff are the responsibility of UK Government. Article 4. General Obligations. National Equality Objective 2. Access to justice. Welsh Government to ensure the rights and needs of disabled people are reflected in our broader representations to the UK Government on justice matters, especially on key issues that create barriers to accessing justice. Article 13. Access to justice. National Equality Objective 3. Access to justice. Welsh Government to ensure prisoners are assessed appropriately and early in order to improve access to education in Wales. The assessment would be restricted to communication for the purposes of education. Article 24. Education. National Equality Objective 1, 3, 5. Access to justice. Welsh Government in the development of the preventing and responding to